on demand is one of the easiest models that you can start in our days. You just need to create your design, put it on a certain product. When somebody buys that product, then the company is going to print that product with your design on it and ship it to your customer. Then they will only remove their costs and then they'll pay you the profit. And so it's an excellent business model that anybody can start at any time. And the interesting thing is that when you do it once, it becomes passive because you create your design once and then you put it on one product and you can put it on so many different products. One of the tools I've fallen in love with is key search because you can use it to do research on any platform, Google, YouTube, anywhere. So let's just come here, and if you come to key search, so this is key search. I'm going to put every link that I'm talking about in this video down below. So if you come to key search and you just type, for example, notebooks, and then you come here, you search, you see that here it says related keywords. So it's just searching everywhere on the internet where notebook is being mentioned. So if you come right here, you're able to decide if you want to search on Google, if you want to search on YouTube, if you want to search on Amazon, if you want to search on eBay or Etsy, like Pinterest, anyone. So it's an amazing tool. And now we see the demand is very high. When it gets to 100, it's like 100%. And the reason why it's like that is because here you see this is school period, this is school period, but notebooks are always in demand because people are using it for journaling, using it for different things. If you look at this score column, so what I normally do is that I'll come to score here and I'll click on this score so that I will arrange the scores, and from top here they are the ones that has very high volume. And so, but if you see red, so you see here these are the number of search for notebook, then Google keeps, you just continue to check like that. But what I normally do is that I'll scroll down, right down, I'll pass these ones that look orange and I'll go down to the one that is green. So these are the areas where you can easily compete in. Anything that has more than 1,000 key search is a niche that you can enter into. So right here we see that this one, I'm interested in this, it says dotted notebook. This one you see is 5,400 search per month, and here we also have dotted. So wow, so dotted, this is something that you can embark on. People are looking for this kind of book. Then if you continue, this one says line notebook. So I'm interested in line notebook, so you can keep going like that until you find the one that you are really interested in. So it depends on what platform that you want to publish. Let's say you want to publish on Amazon, Etsy. So the platform I want us to use, we are going to be using Printify. So let's go to Printify. You can just click on the link down below. If you don't have an account, you can click on the link down below and just sign up. While you are here on Printify, I want you to come here to catalog, and then you come to bestsellers. I want us to look for a bestseller notebook, because something that is already a bestseller book, then you know that if you put a beautiful design on it, then your business is going to kick off immediately. So let's click on bestseller here. These are different things that are bestseller products, and you can use any of these products for your print on demand business. But today we want to look at notebooks, and this is a bestseller notebook. So this is the price here, 7.69. So this product with this price, the price is really low here. So we found a product that we want to make. So let's go now to Etsy and see how much this product is being sold, and look at some designs that we can put on our own product so that we can start selling and making some money. So on Etsy, let's just come and put notebook. And so these are different type of notebook. These are the design. We have the book here for $19. So if we click on it, then we come down. So you see many of the books. See here is $19, $19, $19, $19. So we have so many of them, and let's just say that we are going to sell our own book for $19. You know, as a new seller, you can decide to put yours for $17 too. Now what we can do is that we can take one of these designs. So one secret that I want to show you is that you can come here, you just copy this information. So now let's go and design our own covers on Midjourney. I've seen that Midjourney is very good. So with Midjourney, you need to have a Discord account, and I'm going to put all the links down below. So you just come here and you say join the beta. If you click on the link down below, or if you already have an account, you just come here and you say join the beta. So you accept the invitation, and then you continue to Discord. So when you come to Discord, it's so annoying because you are going to be seeing every other person's design. So what I want you to do is that you can come here to this plus sign and click on it so that you can create your own personal room. So you click here, and then you just come here and create my own. You say for me and my friends. You click here, and then you just continue and create your own private saver. Now when you have created that, it will look like something like this. In order for you to be able to create designs like these ones that you can use now for your book, what you will do is that you will just come here. Now let's say we want this one. You just come and you copy this. We go to Midjourney, we put /, imagine, and then you paste your prompt right there. Then you go back, artwork illustration, so you can copy that and then just bring it and add it here. So another thing that you can put is the aspect ratio. Then I'll just add dash dash aspect ratio, then I'll put 9:16. You can put whatever aspect ratio you want, and then I'll click enter. And you can use this trick for any product. So anything that you see that you really like the design, you want to create something similar. Of course, you are not going to create exactly the same thing. You want to create something similar. So you can use techniques like this, and then it will be close to what you want to design. So this is what our design looks. You see that it looks very good. Another secret that I want to show you is that, let's just come to another design. Let's take, for example, this one, and you want to also do this design. Another thing that you can do is you can still copy this as we did, but you can also come here and screenshot this. You just screenshot the design. You copy what the design is all about. I just copy this one. So let's go back to Discord. I'm going to upload what we just screenshot, and now I'll press enter. So now that we have it here, you click on it and then you right click, you just copy image address. Then when you copy that, you come and you put / imagine, then you paste it here. So I want us to go back to the book, and then we just copy, and then we go back to our prompt, and then we just paste it here. One thing that I like to add is to add dash dash aspect ratio 9:16. Then you click enter. So overcomers, you can look at this one now, and then look at this one. You can see how close. If you want to redo the design, maybe if it comes out and you don't like, you want to redo it, you just click here and it's going to run it again. And if you want to upscale them, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. So U1, you upscale 1, U2, you upscale 2, U3, you upscale 3, U4, you upscale 4. If you want a similar variation of any of them, you can come here, and then you also click here. It will give you a similar variation. So let's say we want to go for U2, so we'll click here, and then it's going to upscale it for us. So this is beautiful, overcomers. So if you are getting any value from this video, I want to encourage you to like the video, subscribe if you've not yet subscribed, leave a comment down below and tell me what is most interesting to you in this video. Now you just have to click on it, then you right click, you come here, save image as, you then save your image. So you can take this image that you have created, you can upscale it in different platforms, or you can take it directly to your Printify shop and just put it on your product. But one thing that I like to do is that I like to take it to Canva so that I can even just make it unique. You can put even like something on it, that notebook, you can just put something on it to make it unique so that you can make yours different and unique. If you check on Amazon, you will see most of those things like that. So you have to take your design a step further in order to be able to increase your sales. So if you look at the size here, is 6 by 8 inch. So I want us to go to Canva, you click here, you customize, you change this into inches, and then you do 6 by 8 inch. Then we create our design. Now we have this. Now you come here to upload and just go to your upload button and upload our design that we created, and then we just put it here. So another thing that I like to do is that I'll just come here and I'll take a shape like this, bring it up here, change that into white, and then just adjust it. Then I'll take a second one, I'll go back, take a second one and make it a little bit smaller, and just take my time and adjust it. Let's change the one on top into white. So you just take your time, adjust it, and then you take lines, you just come here and put lines, you take the line and then just put it here, you click here and you make it into black until you have something like this. So I just added this. So this is kind of our final product, but you need to take your time. You create this once, it's going to be in the market forever, except you remove it. Then I'll come here, you just come here and you download it as a PNG. Now we just go to Printify and put our design. So this is our product. We just come here and you click start designing, and you come here to your computer, my device, you upload the design you just created. Voila, my overcomers. And then you just stretch it to make sure it feels everywhere. And when you do that, you are done. You just come here and you say save product. So if you click here, you'll be able to see what we've done. So this is your design, and then when you are done and you are satisfied with everything, you can come here and you publish. One good thing about Printify is that they already have all the information about this product. So you just come and complete your description, you just see if there's anything you need to add, you fix it here, and then you publish. So then the next thing, now you have to connect your Etsy shop. and you just come here. I already have mine connected. When you come here, you will see a place that is telling you to connect your Etsy shop. And if you don't know how to do it in my overcommerce, I already did this video showing you step by step how to connect your Etsy shop and how to list your products on Etsy. If you don't know how to connect your Etsy shop or how to list your product, then you can watch this next video. Thank you so much, my overcomers. I really wish you all the best. Even if you are working a full-time job, my overcomers, this can be a side hustle that can lead into a full-time job. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. If you have not yet liked the video, I want to encourage you to like it, subscribe if you've not yet subscribed, so that we can officially welcome you, so that you can join the overcoming family. And if you think of somebody who really needs this information, you can share it with them. And I want to encourage you to keep working hard and know that God is going to bless you tremendously. Love you all so much, my overcomers. Bye-bye.
It's been a while since we laid down to reflect upon